This is about the case study, PLD 1994 in Supreme Court 690. The case number is 693 between Ms. Sheila Zia and other versus WAPDA. Mm, Okay, so the key issue at that time was that public interest um, was about the litigation and human rights. The case centered on the concern raised by the citizens about the construction of grid station by WAPDA in the residential area, which was perceived as a threat to public health due to electromagnetic fields. Constitutional rights, which says that the case invoked Article 9 and 14 of the Constitution of Pakistan, which was focusing on the right to life and dignity and the potential hazard posed by the grid station on these rights. Environmental concerns were the Supreme Court considered the potential environmental pollution and degradation that was caused due to the grid station, which was again a threat to the environment. So basically, the court observation of this whole case was that electromagnetic fields are are the risks. Although scientific evidence regarding the adverse effect of electromagnetic field was inconclusive, the court noted that there was enough concern internationally to warrant a caution. Precautionary principles were introduced by the court, which emphasized that the importance of adopting preventive measures in the face of uncertainty and highlighting the prevention is better than the cure because health conditions can get worse. Sustainable development was another goal which was highlighted by the court. There was a need to balance economic progress with minimizing the potential hazards, which was further stress. The court suggested a sustainable development approach considering both public safety and economic growth because both are important. People health is must be a proper priority as well as the economic growth. Then the court decision. For some important decisions were taken by the court, for example, like appointment of commission of NASPAC. It was appointed to review WAPDA's plan and suggest any necessary alteration to ensure safety of the public. And second most important step was public consultation. The court directed WAPDA to seek public input before constructing any new grid station, ensuring transparency and consideration of public concerns. Public say is very important. The third important point was establishment of regulatory authority. The government was introduced to create a commission of internationally recognized scientists to oversee future projects like this, ensuring safety and preventing environmental degradation. Like environment must be protected at all costs. So, constitutional interpretation was Article 9. The court broadened the definition of life under Article 9 to include the quality of life as well. Because just living is not important, healthy lifestyle, welfare of human beings, their healthy growth, all aspects of human existence uh, are equally important, not beyond just like we cannot just accept survival, for instance. One must be living a healthy life. Then, Article 14, the court highlighted the fundamental right of dignity, underlining its unique protection in the Constitution of Pakistan, that every individual have a right to dignity. So, conclusion was the case set a precedent for recognizing environmental and health concerns as integral to fundamental rights in Pakistan, emphasizing the need for precaution in the face of scientific uncertainty. The Supreme Court's directives aim to ensure that development projects do not compromise the health and well-being of citizens. So it was the first most case that highlighted the human involvement and the risk it faces with all the infrastructure changes and so on. So it actually was in one important case and a precedent to look forward to. That's it about this video. Thank you for watching.